Hi, I'm Autumn Rivera. I'm going to be showing how to use the Topi-CLICK Perl device. So what you're going to do is lift the Perl top, and then you will clip in the applicator on the top of it. And then depending on how many clicks you're going to be using, each click is 0.25 grams. So if it's a full gram, you would do 4 clicks and just click it all the way up till it goes into the applicator. And then you will remove the applicator. And then you're going to insert it to about 1 inch or 1 inch and dispose of the cream. And then you can wash and reuse it with antibacterial soap and then dry it off and store it for the next use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at Healing Dose Compounding Pharmacy. We'd be more than happy to answer any questions.